So today we are going to learn how to activate the breakout room feature in our Zoom account. Let me tell you that you can do this only on your laptop, and this feature cannot be activated over the mobile application. Although once it is activated, the participants can definitely access it on their mobile applications. But to get started, to activate it, you will have to use a laptop or a computer for this. So to get started, I have come to my Chrome application and I've put up zoom.us. Now as you can see, I can see the option of signing in over here. So to get started, I'll click on sign in. I need to enter my email account that is associated with my Zoom account. And I'll click on sign in. Now this is the page that will open up when you try to do this. So to activate the breakout room feature, I'm going to go into the settings on the left column. Now over here on the top, I can see the settings for scheduled meeting. As I go down, I can see the settings for in meeting basic. On going further down, I can see the option of in meeting advanced. Now over here, you will see the second option is the breakout room. To get started, you will have to activate this first. So when I click on the button next to the breakout room, I'll also click on the checkbox over here and I click save. Now I've activated the breakout room feature in my Zoom account. Now whenever I try to schedule a meeting, I'll get the option to activate the breakout room over there or not. I hope this video helps you in getting started with breakout rooms. I'll be making more videos on how to actually use that feature. Please keep watching our YouTube channel for this. Thank you for watching.